Hey guys, wanna know how to generate a new timeline in DaVinci Resolve 19? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, hit towards media pool. Make sure you are on media pool right here. Now also import any clip or video that you like. Now once you're there, in order to create timeline, you have two options. You can either go to file right here and then select create new timeline right here, or you can just a window will pop up. Now you can just customize it as you want and then just select create, and then after a while your timeline will be created, a new timeline. And there you have it, your new timeline has been created. You can also do it with a selected clip, such as you simply select any clip that you like, right click on it and then select create new timeline using selected clips. Once you've done that, again a window will pop up. You can just simply customize it and select create. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.